Tired of scrolling through a bloated Yahoo contacts list? Learn how to delete any contact in under 30 seconds. I'll show you exactly where to click, from signing in to confirming deletion, so you can clean up your contacts fast. So, let's start. First, you need to sign into your Yahoo Mail account. Just go to the Yahoo website and enter your email and password like you normally would. This gets us to the main inbox, which is where everything lives. Now, once you're in your inbox, look over to the right-hand side. You'll see a little icon that looks like a silhouette of a person, or maybe two people. That's your contacts icon. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up your full address book. And here's the thing. This is where all those names you've collected over time are stored, the good and the ones you want to get rid of. So now we need to find the specific person you want to remove. You can scroll through the list, which can take a while if you have a lot of contacts. A much faster way is to use the search bar at the top. Just type in their name or even part of their email address, and Yahoo will filter the list for you. This is the step where patience helps, but with the search bar, it's really quick. All right, you've found them. Now just click on their name. This will pull up a little panel on the right side of the screen with all their details, like their phone numbers, email addresses, and any notes you might have saved. And here's the really important part. Look inside that details panel. You'll see a few options, and one of them will say Delete Contact. It might be near the bottom of the panel. Click on that. Yahoo doesn't want you to accidentally lose a contact, so they'll ask you to confirm. A small window will pop up asking if you're sure. Just click Delete or OK to confirm. The contact will immediately vanish from your list. It's that simple. But to be thorough, which I always recommend, take a second to verify. You can refresh your contacts list by clicking the refresh button or just closing the contacts panel and opening it again. Give it a quick scroll or use that search bar one more time. If the name doesn't pop up, you're all set. It's officially gone, and that's really all there is to it. A clean, organized address book makes finding the people you actually talk to so much easier. You can now manage your Yahoo contacts with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.